Jada Jane Miles in her bow. They're in the gate. And they're off. Toward the inside, Allie's Next Chance going out toward the front. Easy for this lady, Miss Becca's Gold, Deputy in Jeopardy, and the newcomer, Jada Jane Miles, is going to 5 across the track as these maiden milers enter the first turn. Allie's Next Chance has come away in front. Jada Jane Miles circling rivals now to grab that second spot and going right up to Allie's Next Chance, Jada Jane Miles. Fear the Fury running in third from Deputy in Jeopardy fourth. Miss Becca's Gold now settled back in fifth. Easy for this lady was pinched back to next as they enter the backstretch, clear of a firmed target whose last but one, and Tensile Wood Lady is running last. The opening quarter, 23-3, racing up the backstretch. Jada Jane Miles and Allie's Next Chance, the lead going back and forth. Fear the Fury is hovering close by. Deputy in Jeopardy, 5 lengths off these dueling leaders. Robbie Alvarado with Miss Becca's Gold, 7 lengths adrift. Then 3 more to Easy for this lady, a firm target, and Tensile Wood Lady will have to raise an effort from out of last. 4 furlongs in 47-4. They round the far turn. Fear the Fury coming up now to Jada Jane Miles with 2 furlongs to go. Allie's Next Chance now feeling the pinch. Deputy in Jeopardy, Easy for this lady, a firm target. Miss Becca's Gold showed no interest at all. And Tensile Wood Lady, Fear the Fury, spins them in. 3 quarters, 1:14-2, and 8th to go. Fear the Fury's in front. Here comes the gray. Off firm target, bearing down on the outside. Jada Jane Miles is third, Fear the Fury, and Allie's Next Chance, off firm target, strikes the top from Fear the Fury. Up to the 16th pole finish. Off firm target with Ramsey Zimmerman. Off firm target lands the Fat Tuesday closer from Fear the Fury. Easy for this lady third, and Jada Jane Miles was fourth in the closer.